Now today we are going to discuss how to calculate the average speed as well as average velocity. Now let us have a look on the condition. This is point A, point B, point C and point D. It is 40 kilometer, 25 kilometer, 20 kilometer and from moving A to B, a person has taken the time of 2 hours. Then from B to C, he took 1.5 hours. And from C to D, he took 1 hour. So, according to the question, a person has moved from point A to point B, which is 40 kilometer apart. Point B to point C, 25 kilometer apart. Point C to point D, which is 20 kilometer apart. In the respective times, from moving A to B, he covered the distance in 2 hours. From moving from B to C, he covered the distance in 1.5 hour, and from C to D, he took 1 hour. Now from point D, the person starts moving in a backward direction and comes to point E. Let us consider the point E, which is 10 kilometer apart. Which is 10 kilometer apart from point D and took 0.5 hour. Clear? Now, in this case, we have to find out what is the value of the average speed and the average velocity. Now, average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. So, total distance we have to find out from A to B, 40 kilometer, B to C, 25 kilometer, C to D, 20 kilometer and D to E, 10 kilometer. So the total distance would be 95 kilometers. And total time taken from A to B, 2 hours, B to C, 1.5 hour, C to D, 1 hour and D to E, 0.5 hour. So the total time taken is 5 hours. Now the person has covered a distance of 95 kilometers within 5 hours. So the average speed, we need to apply this formula, total distance upon total time. So according to which total distance 95 kilometer upon 5 hours, that would be equal to 19 kilometer per hour. Now we have to calculate the average velocity in this particular question. So average velocity is equal to total displacement upon total time. Now A is the initial point or the first point of the journey and E is the end point of the journey. So for calculating the displacement, we need to find the displacement between A and E. So the distance from A to B, 40 kilometers, time taken 2 hours, correct? B to C 25 kilometers, time taken 1.5 hours. Now C to E. C to D is 20 kilometer and D to E is 10 kilometer. So this distance will be 10 kilometers. C to E is equal to 10 kilometers. And total time from C to E, 1 hour from C to D and 0.5 hour from D to E. So total time 1.5 hours. We are not supposed to reduce the time. A to B 2 hours, B to C 1.5 hour, C to D 1 hour, and then from D to E again 0.5 hour. Now for finding out the average velocity, to find out the displacement, we need to take the distance from displacement from A to E and total time of the journey. So net displacement would be equal to 75 kilometers and the net time taken is 5 hours. Now average velocity means total displacement upon total time. So total displacement would be 75 kilometers upon total time, that is 5 hours, is equal to 15 kilometers per hour. Is the total average velocity of the journey. So dear students, that's all for today. Thank you very much.